One of the hardest parts about laying out a floor plan is actually getting a sense of how big and small things actually are. Most of the time you're looking at a set of plans that might be 3 feet by 2 feet. Sometimes it's your computer screen, that might be this big. Other times it might be on your phone, which is very small. It's difficult to actually understand and translate what that actually means in terms of real life on those floor plans. There might be dimensions given, but it's oftentimes confusing. So what I've done here is drawn a bedroom, 12 by 15, on a driveway. Put a bed in here. We have a king-size bed and a typical dresser in the corner. I can literally walk through this room in real life to scale. It's me in the bedroom, and I can get a 100% feel for how much room I actually have. Here you can clearly see you can access the dresser if you need to. You can get in the bed on both sides. But you can also see that if I was to add some sort of, say, makeup counter in the corner here, I might not have enough room to literally get through the corner between the makeup counter and the bed. Or if I was to put a hope chest at the base of the bed, I might not even have enough room to walk and literally might have to go sideways. This is giving me that real world feel of how big and small this room is. Right now it works very well. We have a bed, a dresser, maybe a second dresser, and it'd be fine. But if you were to do anything else in this room wouldn't work. All of this is easily accomplished using nothing more than sidewalk chalk and a tape measure. So it's a very simple and easy way for you to get a real world perspective as to how big or small your floor plan actually is. We'll cover this and so much more on my new class, Log and Timber University, Dream and Design.